Today we're taking a look at this slushy machine that was provided to me by this brand for possible review. I really like it, so I want to show it to you first. I'm going to show you how we set it up, and I'm going to show you what it took to get to this point in making this guava slushy, which is almost ready. And then here you open this up, and this is where you add your ingredients. Today we're making just a frozen guava slushy with a little bit of lemon in it. I'm using 3 cups of guava juice, and I added a little bit of lemon. Over here on the side you can see that there are some measurements for you. We're kind of right in between the slushy max and the slushy minimum. Seal up that triangle nice and tight. Turn it on. We have it at juice slush here. But when I press start, it's going to check the contents here, and it's going to tell me, it's going to give me an E1 error, and that's because it's saying that my contents don't have enough sugar in it. So let me add some real quick. Okay, starting again, we're going to go ahead and start. We have it on fruit slush. I'm going to push the start button here. It's testing it, and it's actually starting to work. Did get an error code in the manual that told me I needed a couple tablespoons of sugar in this mix. It has a very small footprint, and the carafe itself holds 30 ounces. What can you do with this? You can make slushies, ice cream, frappes, spiked slushies, margaritas, milkshakes. Over here we have an ice cream cone holder. So what did you notice I didn't put in here? I didn't put any ice in, so that's what's got me wondering, how the heck is this thing gonna work? We can see the number up here is slowly changing, and those numbers are adjustable too, depending on how thick you want your slushie. As you get better at doing this, you'll probably dial it in really nice for the way you like it. So what did we do to set this up? We poured, we selected, and we wait. So how does this compare to other machines that are similar? Well, first of all, the price point is probably the lowest of the ones that I've researched. It actually has a nice smaller footprint than most, but you got to understand, if you have a smaller footprint, you're going to have a smaller carafe, and that's okay. There's just 2 of us here. And then the 360-degree spiral cooling, which takes this to freezing in a fast, even 15 minutes. Looking at this, already at freezing, 32.4, and still whisper quiet. Checking in at about 12 minutes into this process. The COL indicates it's ready, so let's check and see what we've got here. Oh, look at that. Nicely done. You leave it on so the auger keeps spinning. Wow, and then you can go ahead and close it. And there's your consistency. Okay, Matt, you're the judge here. I like the finger.
It's delicious.
Is it good? Is it frozen?
Really, yeah, it's really smooth, and it's absolutely delicious. Like a frozen drink consistency, like a frozen margarita kind of consistency. It's really, really
nice.
Slushy.
And as long as you leave that auger running, it makes it nice and easy to dispense. Now that we enjoyed our slushie, we're going to go ahead and use the self-cleaning feature on that nozzle. Put water in. Don't go over the max fill line. Come over here, put it on just like you did before. Come up to the top, and we're going to press on. And then we're going to cycle through until we get to clean. Just want to show you what came in the box, and we have the main unit here. You saw in that last video, you saw the control module there. There's the drip tray there. We have the insulation cover here that's going to help you get better insulation on this vessel. You saw that there's an auger that will go in the vessel. And then here we have the ice cream cone holder, where we have a really nice cookbook, Frozen Sips and Sweet Delights, and there are some good looking recipes in here. Explore that. That's going to be really fun. And then here we have the instruction manual that goes into quite a bit of detail about using this product. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful.